Hello my people, so as the title of this video just suggests, I'm going to show you how you can just place your first trend successfully using mt4 or mt5. So if you're using mt4, mt5, then you are just good to go. My name is Dan, this is Dan Tech channel. So if you're first time to be over here, you can subscribe down one over there, like this video, leave a comment. Let me just know what you want me to teach you next right over here for free, and we are starting this video, but subscribe please. Now let's start right now. Now let me just go to my mt5. Actually I'm just be using mt5 for the demo in this case, and it's just the same because I'm just going to show you if you have connected, if you are linked your mt4 or mt5 with any broker, then it's just the same thing. Yeah? Now the first thing that you see over here, just see down one over here, you can see down here we have quote. Now this is where you just identify your currency, which pair do you want to trend. And if you cannot see the pair you just want to trend over here, you can go and continue and just go and then add. If it is metals indices, you can just add them. Yeah, let's say we wanted to add a AUS 200, you click, it will just be 100, you click that, it will just be 100. Now they are just down over here. So if you just want to trend the indices, then they are down over here, you can just trend them. Now let's just go to the next thing, is opening the chart. Now what you just have to do, the next thing that you just have to do right over here is to long press the trend here, and then you can just click that is opening the chart. You can see chart is number 3, so you just open the chart. Yeah, so the moment you just open the chart, you can you can do your technical analysis right over here. After doing your technical analysis, how that you can even tilt the screen doing your technical analysis with indicators and all that, then you can now place your trend. You can just decide where you want to put your trend in. Now to place a trend, you need to click here. You can see something here, this plus. Now that is where we are going. You click that. After clicking that, now it will just give you the place where you have to put your what you want to now to buy. Over here we start with the market. Of course you can see that dollar. You can just even change the crypto. You can see you can change even the pair there. So now that is why you change pair. Down over here, this is where you can just, for example, you just want to buy at instantly, you just want to buy at the market price. You want to buy at the market price, you can put instant execution, so that when you click buy, it will just buy automatically. But when you just want to buy ikifika level fulani, let's say maybe you are predicting the market is going to continue to go down maybe up to 1.01, then you can select buy limit, and then you can just put your that is 1.01. Then when the market reaches to this level, it will just buy automatically. The SL is what we call stop loss. Even if you are using mt4, you will not see SL and TP, but they are the same. If you see the red sign, that is stop loss. If you see TP, that is take profit on the other side. So the left side we have stop loss and TP. But one thing you just have to know is that the stop loss must be very down below the buying price. So here we can put even 1.0. The take profit must be higher than the buying price, because you are making profit, you want to buy, so you are predicting you are going to take profit when the prices go higher. Because if you just make a mistake over that, you cannot click buy, because the platform will have detected that you have made a mistake. Now take profit can be 0.0 what, it cannot be below 1.66, the one we are here. It can be above that. Maybe it can just be 1.02, which is above 1.01 our buying price, and our stop loss must be below 1.01. Is that right? So the moment you just click place a trend, you see it is done. We are now entered, but you can see it is not running. When you see the second one, this is the second one, it is not running. The reason is that until it reaches to that one, that is when it will buy. But let's just click again and buy at instant execution. We're using the same thing here. Stop loss, you are going to put 1.0. take profit, we are going to pick 1.02, and then we are going to use the instant buying. But you can see currently the market. So this is why you put down one over here. There's a what we call slot size. That is very important. You have to note that slot size is what matters a lot. For example, the lot size you put over here decides the amount of money you just be making. That means for every 1 pip the money moves, the coin moves, you get $1. You get $1 if the pip is 1. So if the pip is 0.1, that means you get 0.1 for every pip. That if the currency moves by 100 pips, you multiply pips times the slot size, then you get profit or loss. So for example, if I just put, I'm going to cancel actually this, because there's you can see this one, the first one that is running, it is running very fast with the small pips, 10 pips. You can see, because the buy 90, that is the slot size. That is the slot size over here. And now I have to, let's just continue to buy again. Sorry for those notifications. So I have to put a very small lot size, but because this is a demo account, I'll put a lot size of 10. Yeah, so after 10, yeah, you can put even a slot size of 0.1. I want to see you the movement will just be slow. And then after that, you can put the stop loss, which is 1. Yeah, and then take profit as 1.02, and then you see you can place and buy. When you buy, market is directly, see. And when you see over here, we have this one, we have this moving over here, but you can see it is starting by 0.0 something, yeah? 0.0 something, because our profit for every pip it moves, it can get a profit of 0.01 or a loss of 0.01. But when you put a higher loss, that means if you have a small account and you put a lot size of 10, then for every pip it moves, if it just move, for example, if you have an account of $100, that is 10,000, and you put a lot size of 10, it can move to 10. Unaona this one, it can move to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 negative sign, then you are done. Your account is blown up, and you just go home. So you just have to take care of that. So actually that is how you can just place your first trend after doing an analysis, after you put the slot size, after you put your stop loss, after you take that profit, and then you click buy or sell. You take advantage of the market going up or going down. So that is the very easy. If you don't know how to use mt4, I'll be coming with another video that how to use this mt4, how to do analysis and all that. Make sure that you subscribe, turn on notification bell. You may not find anytime I just upload a nice video just like this, and click that bell, that like button, so that is my happiness, man, when you just do that. See you next time. Goodbye.